Igongona-inĩ rĩa gũtuga arutwo thukuru-inĩ wa Kenya High nĩkuo mwandĩki mũkaru wa gĩthomo kĩa mũthingi Professor Julius Bitok arĩrĩirie ũhoro wa wagagu ũrĩa ũtumũkĩte mathukuru-inĩ akiuga thirikari nĩ ĩkĩrĩire kũmenya kĩrĩa kĩrarĩa kĩngĩ.
We are committed to go extra mile. We are ready to do anything that is doable to ensure that we contain the unrest in our schools. It is really quite unfortunate.
Bitok akihinyĩrĩria arutani ũhoro wa kwaranĩria na arutwo nĩguo mamenye maũndũ marĩa mangĩkorwo makĩmathumbũra nĩguo kũrigĩrĩria wagagu.
It is time to open dialogue with our learners. It is no time for confrontation. It is no time for name calling. It is time to reason together and be able to get a solution to the issues affecting our schools. That is our position. We are also strengthening quality assurance. Recently, about 2 weeks ago, we added an additional 400 quality assurance officers in our system to be able to support our schools around the country.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo aerĩte arutani anene mangĩthoma rĩera mone wagagu ũrĩa ũrĩ kuo ndũngĩhorereka nĩ kaba kuoya ikinya rĩa kwamba kwĩra arutwo mainũke.
They should take a decisive action to close the school instead of letting the students burn the school. They should be able to be fast to preempt the situation so that we are able to contain this unrest in schools. But otherwise, I also want to call upon parents. The problem we have at hand is not only a government problem. It is a societal problem. The learners we have now are able to see what's happening on social media. They are able to see what their parents are doing. And it is the responsibility of all of us.
No thengia wa ũrugarĩ wa wagagu ũyũ ũrĩ mathukuru-inĩ, Ministry ya Gĩthomo ĩnyitĩrĩire atĩ karenda ya gĩthomo no ĩgũthiĩ na mbere ũrĩa ĩbatiĩ.
99.2% of learning is going on without any interruption in our schools. It's only about less than 100 schools, or rather about 80 schools, that we have experienced some unrest. And they will continue learning without any interruption up to 24th when they go for after. There will be no change on the calendar of the schools, and we are working hard to ensure that we tame and stop the unrest in our schools.
Mothe kenda wa ikũmi nĩ atĩ thirikari ĩnyitĩrĩire atĩ arutwo arĩa othe mekũnyitĩkana na mahĩtia ma gũcina kana kwananga thukuru oro mũndũ egũkua mũtharaba wake. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.